Today we are going to talk about manage RouterOS services. We can manage the services in our MikroTik router like that HTTP, SSL, Telnet, Winbox. Those services we can easily enable and disable, as well as we can change the port number as well as. So how we can use the services? So let's go to the MikroTik router, then see where the services. If you click IP, then there is services. You can see those are all of the services, right? And there is a Winbox port number 8291. If you want to change the Winbox port number, try. We can just using 8292, right? Apply. Okay. Also we can disable the services from here like that. If you want to disable SSH service, then just select and then you can disable it, right? Then you are not able to connect the MikroTik router using SSH. Okay, let's change the port number. So can you try to log in MikroTik router using Winbox? Sure, let's try. Now let's create connect. We are not able to using MikroTik router without the port number, right? So it is the one of the security reason. Now we can use the using port number 8292. Then if we click connect, then we can able to connect, right? Use from the service, we can change the port number, we can disable the port. Also we can create custom port number here. Those things that we can make from services. Thank you for watching.